Hi everyone, so I'm back today to do another little let's make, and I'm going to be using, I'm still working on autumn journals at the moment because I'm just loving all these kits and all the colours. So I'm going to make a little double tag pocket. This has been done millions of times, but I just thought I would do this on camera because sometimes you see things and you forget that you've seen them, and you know, so on and so forth. And I did put a little poll up on my community page on YouTube yesterday about doing like an idea journal. So majority, 97%, are saying yes, so I'm going to go ahead and start that at some point this week, and I'll just have a journal ready. And what I'll do is you know, just maybe do a couple of pages every couple of days, just putting in things that I've done before and things that I'm you know, picking up from other people, just to keep this journal, that particular journal, as a go-to place for me to you know, because your brain goes dead sometimes, and you know, you don't know what to do, and you know, you've done all these things for months and years, and you know, you just struggle to find what to put inside a journal once you've made it. So anyway, enough about that. I'll start that in a few days. So right, this is from one of ARTYmaze's kits, and it is autumn something or other. I will link it below. So what I'm going to do is, obviously you get these two tags, this is all on one page, and you get some little embellishments, and there's a big what you call it, postcard, which is there, but I'm not using that. Oh, maybe I could, who knows. Can I? No, I'm not gonna. I've made my mind up. So this is from one of ARTYmaze's kits. That's her new kit, so I've just already done that. I've just made a pocket that's going to go on there like so, and I backed it and stitched around it with, you know, trying to save some time. And all I'm going to do here is glue on two sides, and hopefully my glue's not dried up because I left the lid off yesterday. Silly me. Okay. So I'll start with doing this, and yes, it is, it's blocked. Good start to the video, isn't it? So we had another really hot day. It's like, oh, so hot. If you hear my fan, I do apologise, but if the fan's not on, I will melt. So obviously use whatever glue you have, or you could just go ahead and stitch it, but like I said, I only want to glue the two sides because I want to be able to slip that in nice and easily. Okay, I'm going to put an eyelet in there, I think, and add some bits to it. So this I'm going to create, that's a little diddy postcard from the kit, and I know you can see both my lights. I'm trying to get it so my ring light isn't shining right on the thing on the mat. Okay, I want a little bit of cheesecloth here. So I do. I'm going to put that behind the little quote that you get. So I'll just glue that. I'm going to create another little pocket with that. Oh, nearly forgot the cheesecloth. Fan's now blowing in my direction. Okay, so I'll just center that as best as I can, and then I'll just trim away a little bit of this cheesecloth because there's tons of it. I got some new cheesecloth and I should have done it today. It was a nice day, just get it all tea or coffee dyed, and it would have been dry in no time outside, but I was doing other things today. I'd done lots of coffee dyeing outside because it was lovely. Okay, I'll pull away at that once it's dried a little bit better. Okay, so that's going to go there, and again I'm only going to glue around this side and that side. And these are the Gail commented on my video yesterday when I done the little pockets with the from my journal that I made yesterday. She had, you know, a good mask making pocket. And this is the kind of thing you can do with these as well, because with this kit you get, I think it's about 6 pages, 5 or 6 pages with you know, like double tags. You could sit and print out a few and just make them up and have them ready. I don't do a lot of mass making because I do a lot of themed journals and I never know which one I'm going to do, so I do certain things a little bit mass making, but not to the extent as others do. Right, so I am going to find my crocodile. I had that earlier, and I want an eyelet. And my eyelets, I used to get them off of eBay, but now I get them from Amazon. It was only because there was a shortage of them on eBay, and I found this, obviously the person I'm buying it from now, and I normally get them next day delivery. I kind of like that next day delivery. I don't want to wait like 4 or 5 days for anything if I can help it. Okay, let's find some fluffy stuff to put on here. Okay, so I've found a little bit of seam binding. I've got a tab which I'm going to put on there just for decoration. This was in my stash. I think it's from one of the Tim Holtz book plates. And then there's this, it says Autumn Whispered. I'm going to cut that out and glue it on there, but first of all I'm going to make this into a little tag. Just, I don't even know if I was in frame then. Ooh, that pinged. I'll just ink around there. And then I'll cut this out. This is like a little, I know ARTYmaze has these on our like specimen cards as well. So I'll ink that. Oh, the heat coming from my ring light is unbelievable. Right, I need this again. So I'm going to use the smaller hole on there and try and center that and get a hole. Ta-da! Happy with that. And I'm just going to glue this. Oh, that's a bit sticky. I think it's because I forgot to put the lid on and it's like 80 degrees outside. So where did that go? Okay, so I'm just gonna pop that on there and wipe up my glue in case something else sticks to it. I did have that. I got that, a bulb pin, and just ink around here. Obviously you don't have to use this particular kit if you want to do, you know, just use your own things. You could use stamped tags. I did print these out and popped them onto some cardstock, which I need to ink around the backs of them actually, because this will probably be like a floating tag. You can journal on the backs of both of these. And you know what, I actually sat out some lined paper to back them and completely forgot, but that's typical. Okay, so I'm going to try and do a bow, rubbish at bows. I'm going to put a little button on this as well. Let's find a button. I got these gifted to me today from Moira Gray. Thank you, Moira. Actually, I kind of like this little one in here, that colour. That's a mother of pearl, I believe. So I might use that. Okay, let's cut a bit of this. I haven't used seam binding in a long time. I've only got little bits of it left, and I'm not paying the shipping because the good stuff that I was getting was from New York. Is it Zipper or something or other, and jumped up in price, so I'm not paying it. I found a lady on eBay, but you don't get a lot, but they're beautiful colours. Right, so maybe that button's too big, who knows. Right, just gonna pop the button on and somehow maybe do that first. Rubbish at doing these. I do want to go that way. It's all fun and games when you're on camera, isn't it? When you know you're getting watched and you can't remember how to do silly, simple things. Okay, let's see if I get that. Okay, come on, get in there. The button might be actually too big. I think the button is too big. No, it ain't. Going in. Okay, there we go. So that can swing around there. That goes in there, like that. And I need to put that on there. See, this is what I mean about me being needing to do this idea book. And then I have not just the book to go back to look, I'll have my videos as well. Okay, so that will go in there, just like that. And this, I will just snip a little bit of that and find my dirty stapler. Just fold that in half and we get a little V going on there. You could stitch all around that if you wanted to, and I'll just there we go, quick and easy. I'm going to make some more, but I won't do them on camera. Just think once you've seen one being done, you know how the rest are done. So there we go. If you have any questions, just ask. I'll put the links below to this kit. And like I said, if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.